What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make $94.65, whether it's daily, weekly, or every single month on Google using Google in 2021. And this video is actually going to be more of a case study. So I have not personally tried this yet, but I'm actually going to be doing this live here in this video. This can also be worldwide, so anybody that is watching this right now can actually do this, but you got to pay attention to what I'm about to show you because this is going to be a little bit of a longer video than usual, as it is a more in-depth full-on course that I learned in a paid course that I'm now putting here on YouTube for free. But I also want to reassure you that this is not some quick money-making scheme website that you are promised hundreds of dollars every single day. This is a real valuable business model called affiliate marketing, but I'm going to show you something new and my top 4 affiliate marketing platforms that you can actually choose from, so it's not just going to be ClickBank. This is a very powerful model with a powerful volume concept that I'm going to show you towards the end. It is important to understand this because with the specific strategy that I'm going to show you, volume is so important with succeeding at this, which I'm going to show you and explain this formula to you. There are 4 things that we're going to be needing for this video as well. That's going to be pick a keyword, getting our links, making content. I've actually got done for you content already that you can use and copy and paste, and then distributing that and getting money online with Google. It's quite interesting. Make sure to keep watching as it's really going to make sense as we go throughout this video. I'm also going to show you a tool that I used to blow up my content and also go viral. So this is a very unique tool that not a lot of people know of. It's quite new on the market and it really works. And I also want to give you guys a quick disclaimer. This will not work overnight. This is not some overnight success video. Like I said, when you're starting a business, it does take time. But once you actually put in that consistent effort, you'll reap all of the rewards and success. Without further ado, let's hop straight into the first step. Alright guys, so we're now on google.com over here, and the first thing that you want to actually search is, you want to go and search, I'm just going to use the college and education niche. So I'm just going to go, for example, let's go college UK, colleges in the UK. And you want to click on enter over here. And over here, you will see tons of different colleges around the UK. So you've got University of Cambridge, University College of London, the University of Oxford. So we can pretty much choose any one of these. I'm just going to choose, for example, the University of Cambridge. And over here, you can see there's a business or the Google business page of the University of Cambridge in England. Now, what I'm going to show you is I'm going to show you how we can kind of intercept students that are wanting to join the University of Cambridge with affiliate marketing and education products in affiliate marketing to actually make money as the man in the middle approaching potential students of University of Cambridge. It's quite an interesting concept. There's nothing wrong with it. It's like the normal way of businesses that promote. It's actually a great business model. There's nothing sketchy about it or anything like that. There's nothing to worry about, and it will make sense as you see how I actually set this up throughout this video. So the next step that we need to do is, now that we found our university in the UK, and like I said, it can be any example. I just like to choose the education niche for this. We need to go and find an affiliate product related to this in the education niche. So I'm going to firstly show you my top 4 affiliate marketing networks and then the exact product that I've been using. So the first one I want to show you guys is called maxweb.com, very similar to that of ClickBank and MaxBounty and all of those other affiliate marketing networks. And you can go and create your accounts over here. You'll be able to view all the different products that you can become an affiliate for. There's also the super affiliate network where you can go and find tons of affiliate products to promote. You can sign up here completely for free at the affiliatesupernetwork.com, or you can just Google the name over here and it will pop up on Google. Obviously there's ClickBank. We all know about ClickBank. I talk about that often on my channel. You can go sign up over here and find tons of affiliate products on the affiliate network. There's also builderall.com, which is an affiliate program I'm currently an affiliate for. What I like about Builderall, it actually pays up to level 2 affiliates, meaning if you refer someone to that program and they refer someone to that program, you're going to get double commissions from that, which is really great, and it pays monthly as well. The exact affiliate network I'm going to be using for this video is called digistore24.com. Why I'm using it is because it's very easy for you guys to sign up on. The perfect products are on here, and it's just perfect for you, making it easy for you. So all you do is you go and register over here. You don't need to worry about submission, application process. It's email, password, sign in, and your account is created. So I'm quickly going to log in with a brand new account that I actually created this morning after researching a topic idea for today. So as you can see, this is a brand new account. I've made no sales on this yet because, like I said, this video is more of a case study. All you're going to do is you're going to click on Marketplace over here. You can see tons of different products over here. What you want to do is you want to look for the education niche over here. There's a category that says education. Over here, you can see the Digistore 24 Academy membership site, worksheets for German grammar, complete the German course packages, move to China ebook. And you can actually go and sell all of these courses. They're already completed. You don't have to create any course yourself. So for example, this Agile and Scrum Masterclass, you're going to get $202 per sale that you make, which is actually 60% commission, which is really, really high. So this is a fantastic product to promote, as you're actually getting more than half of the money per sale from this. There's another little course over here, a Digistore 24 Academy membership website where you get $6.17 per sale. And if I click on page 2 over here, this is where I think I saw the product that I really want to focus on. So there's a TikTok Mastery for Business. This is actually one of them I do want to use, so keep this over here. But if I scroll down some more, there's this one over here, trading based on COT data. So what I like about this, it teaches people how to trade based on specific data. It introduces people to trading and how to make money online and how to build their own business and how to build their own trading business. So these are the two main products that I would recommend you use for the strategy, because you want to teach something and you want to reach out kind of to these students and promote something that the University of Cambridge doesn't, and intercept them and kind of show them something better than what the University of Cambridge is offering. So these are two different products over here. The one teaches you how to build a business on TikTok. The other course teaches you how to make money online and build a business with trading. So all you want to do is, since TikTok is quite a trend right now, I'm going to choose the TikTok Mastery for Business. So this teaches you how to build a business around TikTok. So all you're going to do is you're going to click on Promote now over here. Your affiliate link will pop up. I want you to copy this, right click, copy this, come over to bit.ly over here, and we just want to shorten our link to a more unique and neatened URL that doesn't look as long and spammy. Click on create on the top right over here, paste your long URL and click on create again over here. Here you can see is your little short URL. I'm just going to quickly open up a text document on Notepad over here. So I'm just going to move this across and paste this here, and you'll want to save this over here for now so we can use this later. Next, we're going to come over to a website called vidnami.com. You can sign up for a 14-day free trial. I'm not going to slap and promote this as an affiliate. You can go straight to vidnami.com and use the 14-day free trial before it expires, so we can actually make money within those first 14 days. Otherwise, as an alternative, you can also use a website called Flixpress. If I come over to flixpress.com, which is a complete free version of this, but the quality of Vidnami is next level and way better compared to Flixpress. All you're going to do is click on create a new video over here. It will tell you to please wait and load up a couple of templates for you. And over here, you can see complete templates for you: a content video, a presenter video, a sales video, a course or training video, property video, or your own custom templates. Since we are selling a course, we're going to be promoting a course, we want to go to the course training video section over here. And we want to take a look at some of the different templates that they have over here. So I like this one over here that kind of looks like a classroom, because people, well, especially from Cambridge University, will relate to that. You can also use a sales video over here, but the thing is, I think I actually might use sales video because we're actually selling something. The course or training video more is there to teach people something. We're not actually teaching people, we're more promoting the course that is going to teach the people. So we actually want to use a sales video. Over here you can see you've got medical, accounting, author, technology. Let's just scroll down and see what we can find. Over here, I think I'm just going to choose, we can use the template of, I would say, technology. It relates to kind of like trading, which has got to do with technology, computers, and that kind of thing. So we can click on use this template over here. And over here, you want to write the script of your video. So what this tool will then do is it will change your script and turn it into a video for you. So you want to start off with this kind of script. I'm going to give you the exact script that you can use, and you don't have to use Cambridge University. You can use as multiple examples as you want to. And for your title or your heading, you want to type this: Cambridge University UK Top 5. Do not go there before you watch this video. Click on enter twice, and now we're going to continue with the body of our video. I quickly filled out the rest of this text for you guys. So you want to put something like this: the top 5 reasons why you should not go there. Number 5. It's like kind of like a countdown from 5 to 1. College trains you to be a compliant, job-working employee that builds your boss's fortunes. Number 4, college teaches people the same copy and paste info out of books to different students every year, making them sheep. College lacks the innovation and creativity required to become a successful entrepreneur. Number 2, watch this free training before you go there. Number 1, are you ready? And then you want to type this, enter, click on the link in the description to build your own successful TikTok and social media business that can pay more than any degree offered at Cambridge. You obviously want to replace Cambridge with the name of Cambridge with your own university that you've used. And you just want to then click on create scenes over here. And take a look at this video. It's pretty much just created the Cambridge University UK top 5. Do not go there before you watch this video. And it will play this video for you. Here is your first scene over here. Cambridge University UK top 5. Do not go there before you watch this video. This will be the next scene over here, number 5, and it will say, college trains you to be a compliant, job-working employee that builds your boss's fortunes. Number 4, college teaches people the same copy and paste info out of books to different students every year, making them sheep. Number 3, college lacks the innovation and creativity required to become a successful entrepreneur. Number 2, watch this free training before you go there. Number 1, are you ready? Click on the link in the description to build your own successful TikTok and social media business that can pay more than any degree offered at Cambridge down below. And then all you're going to do is you're going to redirect all the traffic that watched this video to your affiliate link on over here, digistore24.com. Let me click on this for you, which will have an entire free training set up for you on how to build a successful TikTok business over here. So this then people can go and check out if they want to purchase the successful TikTok business. Here you can see all the modules included over here, and they can enroll at this one-time fee. And I can promise you this course at $397 will be far cheaper than any degree that Cambridge will ever have to offer. Cambridge will probably be close to 6 figures a year in euros. This is $397 one time, and probably more valuable than any degree offered there. And the thing is, the traffic that is going to be seeing your affiliate link has money, because obviously if they're going to Cambridge, they are doing pretty well, or their parents are doing pretty well. So this also is perfect because it fits this audience that can afford this product. The next thing you guys want to do is you want to go and download this video to your PC over here. Click on download. It will load and download directly to your PC. Just click on generate video over here. Once that's generated, click on download video over here. It will take about 5 minutes or so. You'll see it will download to my PC in the bottom left of my screen over here, which will be done in a couple of seconds. The next thing that you want to do is you want to come over to this tool over here. It's called Video Marketing Blaster. So if I search Video Marketing Blaster, which is the tool that you can use to rank on Google and YouTube on the top page with just 3 clicks. So I've actually purchased this tool. It only costs $27. I'll leave an affiliate link down below for you where this coupon will be applied for you. So this over here is my affiliate link, and you can get this for over $80 off. Just a once-off fee at $27. Once you've got that, your dashboard is going to look like this. So you want to click on keywords over here, and you just want to go do a little bit of keyword research on what we can go and rank for. So all you want to do is just enter your main keyword here, and you want to go Cambridge University Review. Just as simple as that. Your university review. So let's go Cambridge University Review. Click on research keyword over here and give this about 5 minutes or so. And here you can see Cambridge University Press Review Copies UK, University of Cambridge Institute of Continuing Education Review. So what this source is doing is, let's go source on YouTube, Cambridge Student Day in the Life. So we're actually just going to use this term over here, Cambridge University Review. You want to copy your keyword over here. They're basically just recommending different keywords to you that you could get a lot of views and rank for. You then want to go video details over here. it'll open up in a new tab like this. And you just want to click on generate details. Your main keyword, you just want to put Cambridge University Review. Your niche, you can select general. Click on this title over here. Click on next step. For your secondary keywords, just choose University of Cambridge, and you want to go research degree at Cambridge and my experience at the University of Cambridge. Click on next step over here. You don't have to worry about this, and click on generate details over here. Once it's done, click on OK, and if I choose this video over here, you can see you just want to change your title. Actually, you just want to edit your title, and you want to type in the following. Do not attend Cambridge University before watching this Cambridge University UK 2021 review. And over here, they've generated an entire description and done for you tags for you that will rank this video on the top page of Google and YouTube for the specific keyword Cambridge University Review. And the thing is, you want to have review in your title. Your descriptions over here, you can see, is made for you. And then all you're going to do is you're going to come over to YouTube and upload this video to YouTube with your done for you description over here, and with your affiliate link in the description over here. So when people click on this, it's going to take them through to your TikTok Mastery for Business course. And that's how you're going to intercept traffic that is searching for Cambridge University to get them to your own course, to give them something even better than what Cambridge offers. So in a nutshell, I actually want to show you a little document for you guys that I made. Why I told you in the beginning why I want you to focus on volume. Let's say you've been doing this for quite some time and your channel now has 140 of these videos, and each video gets just one view a day. And I can promise you, with this tool, Video Marketing Blaster, you can get up to hundreds to thousands of views every single day. But let's just take one view per video per day. That is now 140 views per day. If each video gets 3 views daily, you're going to get 420 views per day. If each video gets 5 views per daily, you're going to get 700 views per day. And 10 views daily on 140 videos is over 1,400 views a day, which is over 30,000 views a month. So now, let's take, if you get 30,000 views a month on 140 videos, and you get 5 people converting out of this 30,000, which will be way more, and you are getting, let's take 182 commissions over here. Let's just go to calculator, and we go 182 times just 5 people. That's an extra $900 you can earn a month. But out of 30,000 people, let's say 50 people converts. 50 times the commission of 182. That's now an extra $9,000 you can make a month on 30,000 views through monetizing all of these videos through this TikTok Mastery for Business. And guys, if you want to get tons of other free training videos like this, I will leave a playlist on the screen over here, and also come over to the first link in the description. You can get an entire 7-minute free training on how to learn on how to master the art of selling rare high income skills and services without doing the work yourself, with my 57 video intensive training program called the Drop Servicing University. So this is very similar to drop shipping, except we are now drop shipping rare high income skills and services that takes years to study. So you shortcut the whole system. You don't need to study, you don't need to take degrees at university. All you can do is understand this course that I've got over here, and you can actually offer all of these services without doing that work yourself, and make even more money than what doctors earn in terms of salary. My top store made over $228,000 in 2020 alone. I show all the results from the store over here on this video, so you can come over to the first link in the description to check this out and use this coupon over here on the checkout to get over 80% off. And then on the screen over here, I will leave a link to a playlist also got to do with ClickBank affiliate marketing and all sorts of affiliate marketing videos to help you out. But without further ado, take care, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.